Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving with your family and you got a lot of food to eat. We're going to go ahead and start our Edge weekly recap. It was a shorter week on the markets as we were closed on Thanksgiving, and Friday closed early, but the markets were mixed for the week. December corn was up 16 cents. In November 22, soybeans were down 10 cents on the week. To start with soybeans, we closed the week at 12.40. I have a fairly neutral outlook on this market, kind of expect some sideways action moving forward. And we did just that until Thanksgiving when the markets were closed. But on Friday, it was risk off in a lot of different markets, and soybeans fell below that 12.49 support level and were down about 10 cents on the day. We closed right at the 50 and 20-day moving averages, just above it. So now as we move forward, 12.21 is support and 12.49 is back to resistance as we failed at that support level. The technicals are starting to cool off. The strength and momentum indicators are cooling off, and we do need to see some positive price action to get those turned back up. Spec funds, the managed money, are still long on this market. So as we move forward, they still are supporting with their money in their hedge funds. Corn, we closed the week at 586. I am fairly bullish on this market. We did break above the 579 resistance level on Friday when all other markets were essentially down. We are trading above all moving averages, and the momentum and strength indicators did turn back up this week to kind of confirm the price action and the breakout. 579 is now support, and as we move forward, 594 is the next big resistance level. Spec funds are still net long, and they are greatly supporting this market underneath. In regards to general updates, Brazil weather remains in good shape. CONAB, which is essentially Brazil's USDA, is projecting a record crop this year. Yesterday was risk off on basically all asset markets as the new strain called Omicron of COVID hit the news. We'll see how that affects confidence in markets moving forward. The Dow Jones was down 1,100 points, and oil was down $10 per barrel, or about 13% on the day. Now, a lot of these markets were very overextended in price action. Could have been a news drop event that really gave those markets a reason to correct to their moving averages, as they were very overextended. So maybe kind of a healthy correction to possibly keep advancing moving forward into the beginning of 2022. Crop insurance updates. Bills are still due on November 30th. If you do not have them postmarked by that day, they will start accruing interest. Wheat acreage reports are due December 15th. So if you did plant wheat, please get your 578 completed at the FSA, and we can get your acreage report done as soon as possible. If you do think you have a production loss on corn or soybeans, please let us know as soon as you can. We really need to get that turned in as soon as possible. We can always withdraw a claim if you are close. So if you're close to a bushel or two per acre, you think we might as well get it turned in, and we can withdraw it at any time. If you do have all your production records, we can start doing your production reports at any time, and we'll be happy to get those started and completed for you. Thank you for your business. Thank you for listening this week. If you have any questions or comments, please contact Larry, Susan, or I, and hope you have a great weekend. Thank you.